Well, with just 29,000 miles, this may be the Corvette for you. What a beautiful car. 2001 Chevrolet Corvette 1 SC Convertible. This just has a stunning shine on it. It looks so great here on our front lot at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Magnetic red on the exterior, light oak interior, and it has a beautiful looking black convertible top. And under the hood, 350 horsepower LS1 engine, 6-speed manual transmission. It's going to be fun to drive. Let's start it up and take a listen to this beautiful automobile. Now, the factory features on this car include the $2,494 1 SC Preferred Equipment Group. This includes the heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power sport seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, headlights, auto headlights, fog lamps, dual-zone electronic climate control. It has that magnetic red tint coat upcharge and beautiful polished wheels. Has a wonderful Bose CD stereo system. It has power windows, power locks. Well, everything on this car is power. It has cruise control, ABS, traction control, active handling. Best of all, this car comes with a clean Carfax. It's loaded with options. And this 2001 Corvette Convertible shows just 29,249 miles. It's in very good condition. Car's paint is in good condition, great shine. Convertible top is in very good condition. And those factory polished wheels look absolutely fantastic. The interior of this 2001 Corvette Convertible shows good to very good steering wheel, good condition center console, very good door panels. Additions to this car include the blacked out taillights, the CHMSL, reverse lights, side marker lights, aftermarket front turn signal lenses. It has trunk insulation with full color C5 logo embroidery, polished exhaust filler plate with C5 logo, and it has window tint as well. So give us a call here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We can help put this car in your driveway, much less expensive than you can ever imagine. We ship nationwide. Give us a call at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that notification button when you do, and you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Again, we hope to hear from you real soon. We're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.